Suppose we are using a Windows system and, for some reason, want to access our system's BIOS startup menu. For example, say we want to enable or disable virtualization settings from the BIOS. For that, we will have to restart our system. Then, as per our system manufacturer and model, we will have to press a particular key, like some function key, or escape or delete key, etc. If we don't know that particular key for our system, then we will need to search for that first. Using that key, we can then access the BIOS startup menu in a small time window during the start process. This can be time-consuming and sometimes irritating. But if our Windows is working fine, then there are simple ways to access our system's BIOS menu without knowing that particular key. We will see two methods for this. Let's begin. Click on the Windows Start menu or press the Windows key. Then click Power. We get three options, namely, Sleep, Shutdown, and Restart. By the way, this is how we normally shut down or restart our system. So we all know this step. Now, instead of clicking Restart as usual, we will press the Shift key on our keyboard. Keeping the Shift key pressed, we will click on Restart. This will restart our system. Now we can release the Shift key. This time, the system will not be restarted into the operating system, but it will give us advanced startup or boot options. It is also known as a Windows recovery environment. Here we get options to continue booting into our Windows operating system. Or, we can turn off our system. Or, use a device like a USB drive, network, or DVD to boot from it. In our case, we need the troubleshoot option. So we will select it and press Enter. It further provides us options to reset this PC, or get more advanced options. We will select the advanced options, and press Enter. Under this, we get further more options to work with. Here we can carry out startup repair, if we have booting issues. From here we can uninstall the latest updates or feature updates. Here we can restart to change startup settings like enable safe mode, debugging mode, disable auto restart, etc. Here we get access to a command prompt that we can use for troubleshooting purposes. Through this system restore option, we can restore our system using a restore point if at all it was created. But in our case, we need UEFI firmware settings. Select it and press Enter. Here click Restart or press Enter. This will restart our system and give us a BIOS startup menu for our system. My system manufacturer is HP, and this is what the startup menu looks like for my HP system. Now we can press the appropriate key to access options from this menu. Like by pressing F10, we can enter into the BIOS setup option. Now here we can do the necessary BIOS settings. Save and exit. So this was the method where we restarted our system by pressing the Shift key on the keyboard and then clicking Restart. This started the Windows recovery environment on restart. Through the UEFI system settings option, our system restarted to give us a BIOS startup menu for our system. Now let's see one more method. In the search box, type Run. Or press the Windows plus R keys. Open it. Here, type the following command. Shutdown. Space. /R. It's an argument to restart the system. Space, /O. It's an argument to go to the Advanced Boot Options menu on restart. Space, /F. It is an argument to force running applications to close without warning the user. We may or may not use this argument. It is not necessary. If we want to provide a delay before the shutdown command is executed, then we will use the argument /T. Then space. Provide the delay time in seconds. Like here, we are providing 5 seconds delay. Now press Enter. It provides us with a warning. And after 5 seconds, the system restarts. This will restart the system into the Windows recovery environment or say provide advanced boot settings. Now from here, as we saw earlier, we can restart our system into its BIOS startup menu. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select UEFI firmware settings. Press Enter to restart. Now the system will restart into the system's BIOS startup menu. From here we can choose the appropriate option as needed. So in this way, we were able to access our system's BIOS startup menu using the shutdown command. We can create a batch script such that running it will restart the system into Windows recovery environment and give an advanced boot option. For this, right-click. Under New, select Text Document. A new text document will be created. Provide an appropriate name for it. And change its extension from .txt to .bat. Press Enter. Here click Yes. Our batch script is ready. Now right-click on the batch script. Click Edit. Here we will type our shutdown command that we have seen earlier. Shutdown /R /O/F. If we want we can give delay /T 5 seconds. Then save the batch script file and close it. Now our batch script is ready. Now we can double-click on the script to run it. This will restart our system in 5 seconds. Our system will restart into Windows recovery environment. From here we can choose the appropriate option that we want. Suppose we executed the script to give the shutdown command. But now, we want to abort the command execution. Then we will quickly need to open the Run window. We can do it by pressing the Windows +R keys. We will type the command, shutdown /A. Then press Enter. Argument A is for abort. This will abort the previous shutdown command execution that we provided to our system. We need to do it quickly. That's why providing a delay gives us time to abort it if we want. We can see that our system has not restarted yet. This is because we aborted the shutdown command that we gave by running the script. To know more about the shutdown command, we can open the command prompt. In that, type shutdown // Then press Enter. This will provide the help manual for the shutdown command. Here we can check the arguments and their explanation that we can use with the shutdown command. So this is how we access our system's BIOS system menu through the Windows recovery environment or advanced boot options, without needing to know that particular keyboard key that is required to be pressed during system startup to access the BIOS system menu. If you liked the information, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.